Hey guys, I welcome you all to Logging Giants. How to enable Messenger chat heads being the topic for today. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are logged into your Messenger account and then open your Messenger application. On the top left corner, you can see your profile like icon here. Click this and we will search for chat heads option. As you see the chat heads option, you press enable here and then you can see all the chats from your friends without even opening Messenger. Let's check. So you can see that one of my friends has texted me and I can see her profile in my home screen without even opening Messenger. And you can reply by clicking your profile. And you can also, remove them from your profile by doing this and putting them into this wrong sign. If you want to disable this feature, then you have to do the same thing. You should go to your profile and you should click this to its initial position. And then all your chat heads will be blocked. So that is all for today, people. Comment down below what you want to see next and we will see you soon.